Introduce highlight features or overview summary of FancyAug Small Smart TV. There are features include Smart Android 11 System. This 10-inch portable TV runs on Android 11. Offering smartphone-like functionality with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage, Mini TV supports multiple languages, comes pre-installed with popular apps, and provides access to over thousands of apps via the App Store. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, small TV is a flexible alternative to traditional TVs. Portable TV connect effortlessly with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, USB, and SD card options. Small Smart TV pair with TV sticks, gaming consoles, or stereos, and stream movies online through various apps for endless entertainment. Small TV navigate easily with the HD touchscreen when up close, or use the included remote for convenient control from a distance, making Mini TV operation simple and user-friendly. Measuring just 10 inches, this Mini TV fits perfectly in small spaces like kitchen counters, RV setups, or compact bedrooms, ideal for apartments or on-the-go use. Enjoy crisp visuals on a 720p native resolution screen that supports 1080p playback and 4K decoding. Portable TV paired with HiFi audio, it delivers clear sound for an immersive viewing experience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.